Why is it so difficult to get a place in your profession as you dreamed of? Have you ever wondered why less than half of Indian graduates are only employable as per the India Skill Report? The real problem is getting placed in a company without knowing the function of particular profession and the organizational structure is always a difficult job for graduates. Or just interviewing graduates through campus interviews wouldn't benefit both students and the company. Then what is the right way to do to increase the graduates' employment rate? To break this ineffectiveness, we need to add one more process in between the routine of high school to an university to a company. That is internship, the process of getting practical experience in an occupation. How does an internship work? You may read about how an organization works and function in your textbook but never had an actual experience. The internship is a procedure of working in a company or an organization for a few weeks or months with or without getting paid before or even after graduation that converts your theoretical knowledge into practical application and skills to experience the real world. We will now look at how internship benefits both students and the companies. For students, internship increases confidence in work field. As interns, students can learn in and outs of different positions. It creates a professional network as well as find people having similar interests, increases entrepreneurship, and build soft skills like communication, leadership, teamwork, and update intern experience into your resume. Similarly, for companies, interns are an extra set of young talents to accomplish projects, and interns can add valuable pairs of hands, reduces employees' workload and increases productivity, etc. Moreover, companies can retain experienced interns as their entry-level hires. More than 40% of full-time employees are from companies' internships. Build your interest in internship and have at least one internship during your graduation. For all forms of internship placements, visit youngrush.com. It acts as a medium for students to learn real-world experience and for the companies to hire talented and creative interns under Students Employment STUI. For further details, visit youngrush.com. You can mail to connect@youngrush.com and call number 9840985618. If you want more updates on topics like internships and career-related videos, subscribe to our channel and enable the bell icon for further notifications. And also like, share and comment if you want.